Alright, we're gonna do an oil change on the Cadillac CTS 4 3.6. Easiest one I've ever done. So there's your plastic cover, pops off. So there's your oil cap cover, and here's your filter. Way easy. 15/16, throw it on there, screws off, comes out. I mean, you know where the oil plug is under the car, you gotta loosen that up. But the filters on these things are weird. So you don't get that big Fram box of what you're used to. So basically 15/16, pulls that off, comes right up, the filter's sitting right inside, just pulls out, new one in, tighten her back up, put your drain plug back in, don't ever forget to do that, and then fill it up. It's 6 quarts. And conveniently they sell the shit in 5, but I use the 5W30 full synthetic. (2008) CTS 4 3.6 oil change. Easiest thing you'll ever do.